Hello, AP Computer Science Principal students, and welcome to the month of May, to the last month of the school year, to the last 3 weeks of the school year. So let's go ahead and get this day started. Question of the day. The principal hired the programming class to write a program to reserve parking spots in the student parking lot. She wants seniors to have the best spots. What is the best way the programming class can verify a student is a senior? A, the program can loop through the school district roster for every student name. B, grade can be an input field that is then passed to the procedure to select an available spot. C, use an API to integrate with the school's information system hosted off-site to check grade level. D, have students upload a photo from the school registrar showing their school grade with their parking spot request. Take a moment, study these answer choices, pause the video if you need more time. The correct answer to this question is B. Grade can be an input field that is then passed to the procedure to select an available spot. Using a parameter with the procedure to indicate grade is the best solution. Due to security and privacy risks, the student should not integrate with the school system database. Adding a step to upload a photo is inefficient, as as is a loop to go through the district rosters each time. Make sure you go over to It's Learning, find question of the day for May 4-5 and select option B. Today's assignments: watch the daily overview video, which you're doing right now, and complete the question of the day. You are to read Electronic Commerce, located in the Unit 8 lesson, and then complete the Digital Information Worksheet. An extra learning opportunity. I posted an extra learning opportunity. This extra learning opportunity will replace your lowest summative grade. This opportunity will expire on May 22nd at 11:59 p.m. There is no extensions. Seniors should complete by May 15th so senior grades can be finalized. You can complete up to 3 times for the highest score. So basically what this extra learning opportunity is it's a review test from questions from all of our units that we've had this semester. And there's about 75 questions. You're going to get 15 questions each time. So you'll get different questions each of the 3 times that you complete it. And then I will take the highest score. And if that score is higher than one of your summatives, I will replace the summative. And then AP test. If you're registered for the AP test, you must upload your Create and Explore projects to the digital portfolio through the My AP Classroom, and that has to be done. College Board has a deadline sometime in May, but we really want to get this done this week so that I can check you off my list. If you have any questions, I'm available to you through It's Learning. Have a great day.